Welcome to our channel. Relive the thrilling moments of the ICC T20 World Cup 2024 semi-final between India and England in this comprehensive match recap. Join us as we revisit India's spectacular journey to victory, securing a 68-run win over England. India, the undefeated tournament favorites, just sent England packing in a stunning 68-run victory. England, the defending champions, couldn't handle the heat on a slower, spinning pitch. India's bowling attack was relentless, dismantling England's batting lineup with precision. Rohit Sharma, leading the charge, emphasized the importance of staying calm under pressure. "We have to keep making good decisions throughout the 40 overs," he said. And they did just that. In the spotlight now, South Africa. With a perfect record, they're gearing up for their first final appearance in a major ICC event. Will they rise to the occasion? Stay tuned for the grand finale. Because if the semifinals were anything to go by, we're in for an unforgettable showdown. Subscribe for more exclusive cricket content and stay updated on all the latest match recaps and analyses.